130 executions, Melbourne's oldest prison is best known as the place where controversial bushranger Ned Kelly was hanged in 1880. A short walk from the next stop is Dracula's, on the corner of Victoria and Cardigan Streets. Dracula's is Australia's longest running and most successful theatre restaurant. Enjoy a night of total entertainment combining burlesque, contemporary music, comedy and quality dining. A 10-minute walk from the next stop is the birthplace of Melbourne's vibrant cafe culture, Bygone Street, Carlton. Known as Melbourne's Italian precinct, Bygone Street offers al fresco dining, plenty of cafes, pizza and pasta restaurants and gelati bars, as well as attracting Melbourne's literati with a selection of bookshops and cinemas. Visit the World Heritage listed Royal Exhibition Building, a stunning architectural expression of the pomp and optimism of the late century. Built for Melbourne's International Exhibition of 1880 showcase the latest products from the Industrial Revolution. The building was also the site for the opening of Australia's first Parliament in 1901. Tours are available. Surrounding the Royal Exhibition Building are the World Heritage listed Carlton Gardens, featuring dramatic boulevards, a majestic fountain and formal flower beds. The gardens are popular for picnics and are also home to many brush-tailed possums. Within the gardens you will find the Melbourne Museum. Engage all your senses, exploring life in Victoria from the natural environment to social history and culture. Visit Bunjalaka, the Aboriginal Cultural Centre. Listen to stories, share experiences and learn about the rich culture of Koori art, medicine and technology. Hear tales of the characters and icons that made Melbourne and the Melbourne Story exhibition. See Farmer, Australia's most famous racehorse. Walk through a real rainforest. The next stop is Nicholson Street. Step off here for St Vincent's Hospital and to connect with trams on routes 86 and 96.